The top 10 richest female Jamaican artists. Ventrice Morgan, popularly known as Queen Ifrica, started her music career in 1994, estimated net worth $1.5 million United States dollars. Carlene Davis has been in the music business since the 1970s, estimated net worth of $2 million United States dollars. Minister Marianne Hall was the former queen of dancehall known as Lady Saw. She now sings gospel. Estimated net worth $2.2 million United States dollars. Stephanie Victoria Allen, popularly known as Stefflon Don. Estimated net worth $3 million United States dollars. Chinsia Linda Lee, aka Shensia, one of Jamaica's finest. Estimated net worth $3.5 million United States dollars. Judith Mowat was a part of the I3s, been a solo artist since 1974. Estimated net worth $4 million United States dollars. Shauna Mackenzie, aka Tana. Estimated net worth $4.5 million United States dollars. Actress, artist, and businesswoman Grace Latoya Hamilton, aka Spice, the Queen of Dancehall, estimated net worth is about $5 million United States dollars. Marsha Lynette Griffiths, the Queen of Reggae, was part of the I3s. Estimated net worth $7 million United States dollars. Alfarita Constantia Marley was born in Cuba, was part of the I3s. She made most of her earning from her late husband Bob Marley. Estimated net worth of $52 million United States dollars.